Now, Golgi apparatus is an important organelle in case of eukaryotic cells. You would find them in plant cells, animal cells and fungal cells. But what about the cells which are prokaryotic? So, in the case of prokaryotic cells or the bacterial cells, we do not have Golgi apparatus as defined in the case of eukaryotic cells. Instead, we have dictyosomes. Now, dictyosomes also perform the similar function as in the case of Golgi, that is packaging of the proteins which are formed, but at the same time it is not resembling the Golgi complex completely, because it simply is sacs, cisternae which are stacked over each other. There is not proper membranous distinguishing of the dictyosomes from the other cellular pool or the cellular components, and these dictyosomes are stack like structures which are present in a stacked formation. So, somehow there is a resemblance of prokaryotic cells to the eukaryotic cells in terms of Golgi apparatus that is fulfilled by dictyosomes. So, you need to understand that there is one major difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes, one being that there is no nucleus, second being that there would be no endomembrane structures, but because it is having the chromatin material as it is the DNA or RNA, the prokaryotic cell is forming proteins for its survival. It is bound to have some part of it or the organelle which would be responsible for packaging of those proteins which are made from the DNA, not in the DNA, made from the DNA, and that purpose would be served by dictyosomes because Golgi will not be present over there. So, I hope you understand that the dictyosomes perform an important function that resembles the function of Golgi in case of prokaryotic cells.